Hi friends, I have just spent a couple of minutes to add this funny Labubu creature to the fighting game created with the true fighting game engine for Unreal Engine. Just quick and dirty, but I love this creature. If anyone wants a tutorial on how to do this, just leave a comment below this video and I will record. This is going to be quite simple and quick video. By the way, the true fighting game engine is now participating in FAB Creator Mega Sale, and you can get it with 70% off. Let me remind, the true fighting game engine is my project for Unreal Engine that allows you create your own AAA class fighting games. You can easily add attacks, combos and hit animations, import characters based on any skeletons, and create either single-player or multiplayer fighting games. You can check out my other tutorials in this playlist to learn how to do all of this. And with the true fighting game engine, you can create either Mortal Kombat style or Tekken style games depending on your needs. You can find the link to that project in the description below this video. Thanks for watching and goodbye.